Hi, boys and girls. Well, in science, we're talking about sneezing and washing our hands and being very clean. So I decided to bring you to the bathroom. I know moms are like, what? No. We're going to talk about washing our hands. Remember, I told you the proper way to sneeze was in your elbow like a vampire or in your shirt or with Kleenex or tissue. Okay? But the most important thing, when you're finished, wash your hands. We're going to do that right now. I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn on the water. The proper way, we turn the water on. We get soap, one squirt of soap. Miss Stacy just did wrong. I got three, but you only need one. Wet your hands and then lather. And then you can sing the happy birthday song. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Miss Stacy. Happy birthday to me. Yeah, that's long enough. Once you sung the happy birthday song, that's 20 something seconds. So now I rinse my hands. Very good. Rinse my fingers. Rinse. You see me rinsing? Shake, 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 shake. I get, uh-oh, our paper towel dispenser is not working. So I get one paper towel and then I dry my hands. Okay? Dry my hands off. And that, boys and girls, Miss Stacy got water on her computer. Just a little bit. That, boys and girls, is how you wash your hands. Okay? So, but then I take my paper towel and I throw it in the trash can. Okay? Throw it in the trash can because we always want to stay clean when we're doing things. Okay? And so now my hands are clean and fresh and ready. And I can also get myself a little hand sanitizer and I can give myself one pump. One pump of hand sanitizer, get it in my palms, get it all the way around. And I want you to practice that hand washing at home. Okay? Make sure you practice that at home. So let's look at our sneezing sheet today. Let's take those down. All right. So here's our sneezing sheet. And make sure you put your name on it first. So I'll know whose it is. Put my name at the top. Put yours. Okay. And it says, track it with me using your tracking finger, touching under each word. If I do not cover my sneeze, what would happen if I don't cover my sneeze? You would spread germs. Okay? So we can say, if I do not cover my sneeze, I, and we know how to spell I, finger space, will, W-I-L, finger space. So we can have those spaces between our words. Spread. And I can't put another word here, so I have to come down and start again on the right side. On the left side. Spread germs. period. Okay? So now I'm going to very quickly draw a picture of myself. And okay, and I've got two eyes. I'm going to take them and connect them because Miss Stacy wears glasses. There's my little cheeks. Here's my nose right there. Here's me smiling. Okay. But guess what? I need to have my hand up, don't I? Okay. So, because I don't want to spread germs. Okay. So, let me draw a picture of my hand getting ready to cover my mouth. There's my thumb. There's my finger. I have 5 fingers, 1 thumb covering my mouth because I don't want to spread germs. Or you can draw yourself with a face mask on. Everybody wears face masks nowadays. So either or. You can cover your mouth or you can wear the face mask. Or you can even do the vampire sneeze like this. Draw a picture of yourself doing the vampire sneeze. Okay? All right. Either way. See you later.